Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Power on the 49mm watch and follow on-screen pairing steps with your phone. Open the companion app on your phone and tap to start pairing. Place the watch near the phone until the animation appears. Sign in with your account and set a secure passcode for daily unlock. Charge the battery to 100% using the included USB-C fast charger before first use. Enable wrist detection and haptics in settings for reliable notifications. Install Watch OS updates over Wi-Fi to keep features and security current. Configure cellular if you want phone-free connectivity away from your phone. Adjust display brightness and watch face complications for quick access. Track workouts with precision dual frequency, GPS, heart rate, and 100 water resistance for swims. Start workouts from the app and choose the correct activity for accurate metrics. Rely on the built-in altimeter and compass for elevation and direction during hikes. Expect about 36 hours of typical battery life on a full charge during mixed use. Use low power settings to extend battery life for multi-day trips and expeditions. Monitor sleep, oxygen, and heart rhythms from the Health app for trends over time. Set activity goals and enable reminders to stand, breathe, and move every hour. Export health data or share summaries with your clinician if needed. Activate emergency SOS and fall detection so the watch can call for help automatically. When a hard fall is detected, the watch waits and then contacts emergency services if you are unresponsive. Use the loud 86 dB siren to attract attention and help rescuers find your location. Rely on precise dual-frequency GPS to share accurate coordinates during rescue or route tracking. Enable LTE cellular to send messages and calls when you are away from your phone. Use dive and ocean features for recreational dives with depth tracking and dive logs. Familiarize yourself with battery-saving modes and airplane mode for restricted environments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.